Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss some numericals related to NCERT textbook exercise of electricity chapter. Now here is the question. A copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm and resistivity of 1.6 in 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? Now there are two parts in this question. Now what we have given, diameter 0.5 millimeter. Diameter is 0.5 millimeter, or we can say 0.0005 meter. Okay, since we know that in 1 meter there is 1000 millimeter. Now, again we know that radius is half of the diameter, that is 0.0005 divided by 2, that is 0.0001 meter. Okay, now resistivity of 1.6 in 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistivity rho is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Its resistance 10 ohm. R is equal to 10 ohm. We have to find out the length of this wire. Now we use the formula R is equal to rho L upon A. Then L will be RA upon rho. That is R, area is equal to pi R square for the copper wire upon rho. Now put the values. Capital R 10 pi 3.14 R square 0.0001 square whole upon rho, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, when we solve this we get 122.72 meter. Solve this in your rough notebook. Okay, you will get 122.72 meter length. Again, second part. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? If diameter gets double of its initial value, that is 0.0005 meter, it will be 0.0001 meter. Then its radius becomes half of the diameter, that is 0.0001 divided by 2, that is 0.0005 meter. Okay, so other conditions remain same, other values remain same, and radius becomes 0.0005 meter. Then we have to find out change in resistance. Again we use this formula, R is equal to rho L upon A. R dash is equal to rho L upon A. We have to find out change in resistance. Then rho L upon A is equal to pi R square. Put the values. Rho 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Length we just find here 122.72 divided by pi 3.14 into R square, that is 0.0005 square. When we solve this we will get 2.5 ohm. Okay, 2.5 ohm resistance. Solve this in your rough notebook. Okay, then you will find resistance 2.5 ohm. Next, when a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of resistance of the resistor. We have 12 volt battery. We have given voltage 12 volt current of 2.5 milliampere. The value of I is 2.5 milliampere. That is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay, now we have to find out the value of resistance. Since we know the formula V is equal to I R, then the value of R becomes V upon I, that is 12 upon 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. When we solve this, 12 upon 2.5, take 10 to the power minus 3 from denominator to numerator, it becomes 10 to the power plus 3. We will get 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm, or we can say it 4.8 kilo ohm, since we know that in 1 kilo ohm there is 1000 ohm. So we can write the answer is 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm or 4.8 kilo ohm. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. So thanks for watching this video.